King Brad Racer here, 1981 Monte Carlo. As you all know, previous video we just did our hood hinges. This car has not been started for the day, so figured why not do a cold start. Grab the keys off my other car, and this car again, 1981 Monte Carlo, has a 305 V8. I believe it has a single 3-chamber Flowmaster into dual. I don't know if it's got a Y pipe or what, but I know it's no, I can't have a Y pipe. Pretty much dual exhaust. I can't remember the last time I was under the car. Cold start video. Let's see how this thing sounds. Cold start. Give it a little manual choke, warm it up just a slight bit. This is just a sledgehammer I was holding. But cold start video, 1986, 81, Chevrolet Monte Carlo, King Brad Racing. Like and subscribe. Thank you all.